Storefront System Project Applications. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss the various storefront system applications, how verticals run slab to slab and are anchored at the head and sill, as well as how entrances can be integrated into frames without the need for subframes. Let me summarize the main characteristics of storefront. The frames are set within the structure of the building. Verticals run from slab to slab and are anchored at the head and sill only. Being a shallower system, dead load is a concern. Large, heavier lights of glass can sit directly on a sill with little worry as you're shimming directly underneath them. The height of wider lights on a horizontal should be reduced to reduce the overall dead load on the horizontal. Random vertical spacing is easily achieved as long as the wind load capacity of each vertical is confirmed. Entrances are integrated into frames without the need for subframes. Here are some nice examples of storefront applications. Note both the Hope Clinic and Raising Cane's are taller elevations that are divided around the center point with a structural component. Each of these introduces a sunshade at this point. On the Hope Clinic, the shade is part of the lower storefront elevation, while the shades on Cane is by another trade attached to the structure. Splitting a tall elevation with structure allows you to utilize two storefront elevations stacked. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conair Company, Inc.